Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time I showed you how to solve a problem using the plugin method, and I asked you to solve this problem right here. If you were able to do it, good job. If not, I'm going to show you how. They've given us a scatter plot. The scatter plot above shows a company's ice cream sales D in dollars and the high temperature T in degrees Celsius on 12 different days. A line of best fit is also shown. Which of the following could be an equation of the line of best fit? This is exactly the same as the first question in the plugin method. We're going to do the exact same thing here. We're going to pick a point and see if it satisfies any of the equations. And that equation is going to be our answer. Now, this time I'm going to pick the point 22,800 since it's really close to the line of best fit shown, which means it's not going to be too hard. We can approximate. Now we can immediately eliminate A since it's way too small. You can calculate and see it's way too small to be the answer. Let's take a look at B. D is equal to 10t plus 402. Let's try it out. 10 times 22, t is 22 plus 402. This is 220 plus 402, which is 622, which is not anywhere near 800. So that's not the right answer. Let's take a look at D. 33t plus 84. That is 33 times 22 plus 84. 33 times 22 is basically 3 times 2 times 11 squared, which is 6 into 121, which is 726. This plus 84 is 810, which is close to the answer. And if you look at option C is way too high. So that means D is the right answer for this question. You want to mark D on your answer sheet. Now that I've shown you how to solve this, see if you can solve this question right here. I'm going to show you how to do it in the next video.